Namaste, I am Pratibha. Welcome to Prachi. Today I am going to show the crochet long necklaces of this kind. I have two with me. First one is this pink color, this one with the silk thread, and the second one, blue one, this is from the anchor thread. I prefer these kind of necklaces because these silk threads or anchor thread, whichever you take, both are easily available in market, and it's cheap, and moreover that it's very durable also. We can make according to our wish which color we want, like that. I will show in detail. Start for the long necklace. Now see, here I am using the silk thread of 6 strands. I use the bobbins so that it is easy to get 6 threads. I already filled the bobbins. Now see, first we have to put the magic knot as in the crochet work. First magic thread in this. The way it has to be, the longer thread if you pull, the size has to change. Now I am using the crochet size of 6 number 1 mm. Okay. Now put 7 chains. 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 chains. Now I am doing the double treble crochet. See, I have to yarn over 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, I have total 6 yarns or loops, you can tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now from the beginning, third loop, third chain, I have to pull the needle, yarn over that loop, third loop. Now total 7 loops are there in the needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now 1, similarly you have to do 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and last 6 one. Now I have a loop of here 5 chains and the 1 double treble. Now 1 chain, then single crochet over this loop. I made 19. You can decide whatever the size of your loop. You have to fill this loop with the single chain. Now see, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. See, my loop is filled completely now, so I am stopping. If you are not, you can do one or two more. It's about your tension, how you are using the thread. Now over in the end. Now again for the second loop I have to do the 7 chains. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again double treble crochet 3, 4 and 5. The third chain from the beginning of 7 chains. So loop, yarn over. Now again yarn over to through 2 loops. So 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last one 6. See, I have the loop. I have to fill with 19 crochets. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this you can continue. I will show the finished one now. Here I have 27 loops, similar way I did with the anchor thread. Now I will show the back side part. Now I will do one loop. So again 7 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Double treble crochet 2, 3, 4 and 5. The third chain, yarn over to through 2 loops 5 times plus 1 6 times 3. Now I have the loop, 1 chain, then single crochet through the loop 19 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can use any of the threads. According to that your needle has to be changed. According to the thickness of the thread you can change the needle. For 6 strands of silk thread and this anchor thread I am using the same needle. Now just if the length is enough for you, you can stop. For me now I am stopping it and I will show the back side. I did not do the loop for the back side. Back side of the neck we cannot, the design doesn't seen, so I am not doing there. For the back side I am using different stitches, that is 25 chains I am putting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 25 and I have to join the first part with the correct thing. So now I'm joining it. You can, if you want, you can do more also. Now I did only 25. I have to join the beginning part, so I am using it with the like this. See, first chain of that I am connecting these two, so it is like a now I connected with the single crochet. Now to come back, see it's very thin, so if you want you can make it little thick. What I did is I did single crochet through 25 times, so I reached it here again. Now 1 2 3 4. Now I am using the single crochet like we are doing for the loop. Same way here also. 25 single crochets enough. Now see, I reached the end. Now for the second loop, if you want it inside, your first loop is if longer, you can do it for the inner side, but for me I want the longer one, outside loop. I want one more necklace, I want the outside, so it will be double layered. So what I am going to do is, now see, I am continuing with the single crochet up to the 5 loops. 5 single crochet I am doing it. Now see here, see carefully. Now first single crochet, so there I am using again one more single crochet of the first loop. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I did 5 single crochets in the outside of the first loop. Okay, where, or you can tell last loop, where I stopped. Now see here, from here I am starting the second layered first loop. That is again 5 loops, 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Then double treble crochet to 3 4 and 5 to the third loop, third chain, then yarn over to 2 loops, 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then continuation as we did before. Now single crochets. I will finish this one first, then I will tell. I will explain. 3 4 5 6. This crochet work I am doing from 18 years, or you can tell 20 years also. It is my hobby and I did so many things like shawl, dresses, whatever you name it. And now I started off doing the videos. It may help others also. Along with the crochet work, I do knitting, embroidery and stitching work. Now, same way you can continue. After your wish, whatever the length you want, you can do that much and complete. And again, see here. Now see, it will go like this. Okay, after completing, again come back to the first one. If you take this one now, you have to join in between here in the middle 5 crochet and end with this one. that is your wish. You can do similarly, you can do 2-3 layers or whatever your wish. You can customize yourself. This is easy one, and if you do yourself, it's cheap also. Washable, durable, as I said before. You see, here my 2 layers are not much difference in length, just 5 loops are lesser in the inner side, but here I have 10 loops are lesser, so it is the gap is more. See, you can find. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If it's useful for you, please comment, share and subscribe. Namaste.